Hey everyone at Top to Bottom Home Repair. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I am shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. And the only thing that I do ask, if you're able, is just to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here. And Facebook is a very powerful tool. There is no doubt about that. But when people are looking for services, the first place they're going to go is going to be Google. And when they get there, they're going to want to have a website to click on so they can learn more about your company and your services. And I did see that you had a website linked here on your Facebook page, but I wasn't able to pull it up. So just in the interest of speaking about content, I did pull up one of the competitor sites here. And content would be considered anything you can see here. It's, of course, the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. That can all be considered content. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the homepage of a site. Within those 1,500 words, it gives the business owner an opportunity to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So if it's not something that's already in the works for you all, I would suggest either getting your website back up or getting a new website. Not only does it serve as a digital business card for you, but it is also really the first step in getting you ranked on Google. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is citations. And citations have a lot to do with this section here. This is called the map pack. And what a citation is basically your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories and grab those listings for yourself. But you also don't just want to stop there. You would want to double, triple, quadruple, whatever it is your competition has. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to have 20, 30, 40, 50. That's going to make it to where you're really dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So moving along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other home repair service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, you are trustworthy, and number two, that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here just so I can kind of give you a visual representation of what we're talking about. So I pulled up the website that we had just looked at, and it's showing they have currently 698 referring domains, which is giving them 4.13 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 3.8 thousand keywords, and that's driving about 2.3 thousand people to their site just per month. And let me see if we can take a look at their keywords here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So here's a perfect one: home remodeling, Dallas, Texas. This is a perfect key phrase because it lists the service or the industry and also the location that this company is trying to target. Home remodeling, Dallas. You can use variations of the same word or phrase and it will still count as a whole new keyword. Dallas, Texas home remodeling, bathroom remodel, Dallas. Dallas home remodelers. I certainly will not bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into content on a website. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And just like with the citations, you don't ever want to stop there. You want to far surpass whatever it is your competition is doing. That's the kind of thing that's going to get you on that first page of Google, but also it's going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time keeping up with you. But that's really all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time, and I hope you have a great week ahead.